Worried your Coursera account might get hacked? Enable two-step verification in under 2 minutes and lock out anyone without your phone. I'll walk you through logging in, finding the settings, and linking your Authenticator app. Just follow these simple steps. First, go ahead and log into your Coursera account. Open up your browser, head to Coursera.org, and sign in like you normally would. This is the starting point, so make sure you're logged in before we move on. Now, look at the top right corner of the page. You'll see your name there. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, select Settings. This is where all your account preferences live, and it's also where we'll find the security options we need. Scroll down the settings page until you see a section labeled Two-Factor Authentication. It's usually about halfway down, so just keep scrolling until you find it. Once you spot it, click the button that says Enable Two-Factor Authentication. This is the moment we start locking things down. Coursera will then ask you to enter your password.
This is just a security check to make sure it's really you making this change. Type in your password and click Continue. It's a quick step, but an important one. Now, this is where we switch over to your phone. Open up your preferred two-factor authentication app. If you don't have one yet, Google Authenticator is a great free option, but any Authenticator app will work. Once the app is open, look for the option to add a new account or scan a QR code. Tap on that. Go back to your Coursera screen. You should see a QR code displayed there. Hold your phone up to the screen and scan that QR code with your Authenticator app. Make sure the code is centered in the camera frame, and it should pick it up in just a second or two. Once the app scans it, it will generate a 6-digit code. That code changes every 30 seconds or so you don't need to rush, but it's good to enter it fairly quickly. Type that 6-digit code into the box on your Coursera screen. Double-check that you've got the right numbers. Finally, click the Verify Code button. Once you do, Coursera will confirm that everything is linked and working. You're all set. Your account is now protected with two-factor authentication. From this point on, anytime you log in from a new device, you'll need both your password and that code from your phone. It adds a serious layer of security, and it only took a couple of minutes to set up. That's it. You've just locked down your Coursera account like a pro. If this guide from AI Mastery helped you out, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more practical tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.